Today I'm going to show you guys how to find that paint cone on a Grand Prix 04 to 08. Some people told me it would be in the door, which it was not there. Because previously I think this car was wrecked and they took that off right there because they had to switch out the door. So I found out it's in the trunk. I had to take my speaker box and everything out just to get in here, but if you lift up this carpet, it's just chilling in here. If you still have this piece of board in here, you gotta unscrew it. Takes a second, but underneath this is the little paint code label, and it is like BCU944L is my paint code right here. Right here, that don't really mean nothing. That's your tag, and that's how you find your paint code on these Grand Prix. Still work to it today, but cleaning it. But yeah, hope that helps.